The kneeling single-arm flat bench dumbbell biceps curl is a variation of the preacher curl that is completed on a flat surface. This variation helps minimize momentum while keeping the elbow in front of the body, which isolates the inner, short head of the biceps to create width and thickness and overall fullness of the biceps when viewed from the front. Here's how to do it correctly. Place a flat bench in front of you and kneel down, positioning yourself so the bench is just in front of your torso. Grab a dumbbell, then position your upper arm on the flat bench with your elbow close to the other side of the bench. Let your arm extend straight in front of the bench with your palm supinated so it faces up. Begin by curling the dumbbell towards your shoulder by bending at the elbow while keeping your upper arm stationary. This positioning avoids any swinging during the lift. Fully flex the elbow as you squeeze your biceps for a peak contraction. Under control, slowly lower the dumbbell back down to the starting position, extending your arm fully to engage the entire range of the bicep. Complete all the reps on one arm, then switch arms and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.